Hey guys, this is Joe Tech here from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Today we're going to be looking at the genuine GoPro dual battery charger and battery. This will work for the Hero 5 and the Hero 6. We're going to do an unboxing and a small demonstration of it because it's just a basic charger. So let's do the unboxing now. I'm going to be using the GoPro to actually look at the details of this. GoPro, start recording. All right, so this is the unboxing of this. This is a really nice kit. Okay. This is the actual battery charger itself. Holds 2 batteries on the inside. Uses a Type-C. Here's the battery. This can only go in one direction, like so. And you have a USB Type-C USB cable that comes with it, like so. What I do recommend that you do is buy a small battery pack such as this. So if you're ever on the go and you need the battery charging, and you can clearly see that this battery is fully charged. If I can find it, I'll put a link in the description below, but this is an awesome, this will charge this a couple of times. These batteries are 1220 milliamps a piece, so you can charge quite a bit of times with this. This is a very, very well made product. And knowing that you're buying genuine GoPro products, you should be pretty happy with the batteries and the charger. So instead of buying, if you're buying like a no-name brand, you don't even know how good the batteries are going to last. Spending a little bit more money, probably twice as much money, but you're getting genuine GoPro products, which is probably the way to go. So this is obviously great camera. I love the voice control, it's great. This is an awesome product, folks. I'll have a link in the description below to get this. If I can find a always on, I like EVGA ACC batteries this is similar to that's always on. Anyway guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Be safe. Today we're going to be looking at what the hell are we looking at? Today we're going to be looking at the GoPro, the genuine GoPro. Really? Voice control. GoPro, turn off. That's funny.